If you're a TMF OG, you understand that your hair, it's the most important part of your entire look. You see, when you're engaging with someone like you and I are right now, what's the first thing you see? My face, my hair, how I look up here. If you can get the right hairstyle, if you can get your hair under control, you're gonna look like a stud and you're gonna be unstoppable. If you can get it under control. And that's the problem, boys. See, today I'm going to talk about the 7 biggest hair problems, struggles all of us have faced, and also I'm going to show you how I fix them so you can look your best. If that sounds interesting, let's hop into it. Number 1, it just never comes out like you want it to. How many times do you feel like your hair just doesn't come out like you want it? And doesn't matter how many times you talk to your barber or how many pictures you show him, he just can't make you look like freaking Brad Pitt. Well, come here. We need to have a conversation. Mano a mano. It's just time. It's time to just cut that toxic relationship. Snip, snip. Let him go. I know. You'd rather cheat on your own girl before you let another man touch your hair. That's how close of a relationship you probably have with your barber, but you gotta understand, there are other fish in the sea. So start trying new barbers until you find one that's experienced enough that can deal with your hair type and also even give you advice on how to have a hairstyle that suits your face shape. Number 2, dealing with curly and unruly hair. That's me. My hair is ultra coarse. What you gotta understand is the reason why you have unruly hair is because you're trying to tame or straighten hair that has its own natural pattern. So when you go against its nature, you're not only gonna add more stress and time in the mornings trying to get ready, but also midday, your hair's just gonna look whack because humidity just started to curl it up and now it looks like a mess. So I want you to change your perspective. I want you to embrace the waves and the curls. Yo, we got dudes out here doing perms. Curls are in. So embrace them. Instead, what I want you to do is hydrate the curls so they look healthy, they look shiny, and your hairstyle looks better. The best way to do this, boys, is apply a leave-in conditioner every morning and then use a curling cream and then just let it air dry throughout the day and let it pick up its own volume. Your hair's gonna look naturally sexy and you're gonna be stress-free because you don't have to worry about it. You see what I do here? I'm your true brother. See, I'm not out here trying to change you. When you hit that subscribe button, I'm here to bring out the best version of you. I show you how to pull out that confident, sexy, attractive, charismatic version of you, and all you gotta do is hit the subscribe button. Number 3, crap. It is starting to fall out. Here, I'm in panic mode. We're talking code red. Out of all the problems on this list, this was the one I'm terrified of. And I'm gonna be honest, your boy doesn't scare easily. Yeah, this keeps me up at night. Now, to beat this problem, you gotta understand hair loss. And this comes from various aspects such as genetics, stress, hormone imbalances, aging. There's a lot of them that can cause hair loss, but what you gotta know is that the one and most effective solution is starting early. This is why I love our sponsor Keeps, because Keeps empowers you to take action to keep your hair. You see, what most guys don't understand is that 2 in 3 guys are gonna experience some form of hair loss by the age of 35. If you're able to catch it now that you're young, you can stop and save most of your hair. This is why you gotta stay really aware of this problem. If you start noticing hair loss or you have hair loss in your family, chances are you're gonna start to lose your hair gradually and you can do something about it with our sponsor Keeps. See, Keeps has revolutionized the hair loss treatment industry. Before, you had to make an appointment. You had to wait in waiting rooms at a doctor's office. Then you had this uncomfortable conversation with a doctor. Then you had to go to the pharmacy and pick up the prescription he gave you. It was a whole hassle. You see, with Keeps, you can hop online, have a consultation with a physician, all from the comfort of your home. Then after your consultation, he will prescribe to you the treatment that you need depending on your personal case. See, Keeps offers generic versions of the only 2 FDA-approved hair loss options out there. And these are scientifically proven treatments that are both over-the-counter and prescription that actually work. Boys, there's a solution to this problem, and if you guys want to check out that solution, you guys can click the link down below, go to keeps.com/TMF, check them out, and see why they have more 5-star reviews than any of their competitors and why they're so effective. And that's not it. They also have a very special limited time offer just for you guys. If you think you have hair loss or are experiencing hair loss or know somebody that is, Check it out, try it out, and see just how effective it is. I'm telling you, taking action right now is the best way to prevent going bald. Number 4, it's growing way too fast. Let me ask you something. How many of you get a nice crispy skin fade, you look fresh, and 4 or 5 days later, your hair's already growing out and it looks like you need another haircut? It's annoying. Well, there's 2 solutions for this. One, you can get a more classic, fuller haircut that's a taper. Since it's not a clean skin fade, it does a better job at hiding hair regrowth. But if that's not something you want to do, your second option is to buy a hair trimmer and at least edge yourself out and line yourself up every 5 days or so, so at least you have a crispy lineup and it looks or gives the appearance of a fresh haircut until you're able to go back to the barbershop the next time. Number 5, dandruff. Dandruff is usually found on the surface level of your scalp. One of the main causes usually is dry scalp. Now, one natural tactic to fight against this dry scalp is to keeping your scalp nourished. You see, what you want to do is every time you step into the shower, grab a natural oil, ones that are usually used for your hair, and then you want to massage that oil onto your scalp for about 10 to 15 minutes. Then once that's done, you can wash it out with your shampoo, and what you can do is swap your shampoo for a dandruff-free shampoo to really kind of overkill dandruff and make sure you annihilate it completely. Number 6, greasy hair. Greasy hair is horrible. It looks dirty, it's disgusting, and on top of that, it doesn't allow you to fully style your hair. You see, the oil and the grease weigh down your hair that completely kill all volume and makes your hair look flat. So what you want to do to avoid having this nasty 3-day-old hair is have dry shampoo. Dry shampoo comes in both powder or spray form, and basically how it works is that the dry shampoo itself cleanses your hair, removes bad odors, and on top of that, it absorbs the oil to give your hair that matte, clean finish that you're looking for. On top of that, the texture also helps with volume to freshen up your hair. And finally, number 7, frizzy hair. This one's very easy to fix. You see, frizzy hair usually occurs when there's a lack of moisture in your hair or the moisture levels are below normal. So then what ends up happening is that your hair cuticles end up opening up looking for moisture from the outside environment. So what you want to do is keep your hair moisturized all day to ensure that your hair cuticles stay closed and frizziness does not occur. To do that, a leave-in conditioner. This is the easiest way to combat this. Before you style your hair, you want to apply a leave-in conditioner to your hair, then put your styling product, and then style your hair. This is going to ensure that your hair stays hydrated all day and to eliminate frizziness anywhere you are. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. Those are 7 hair problems and their solutions so you can look like a stud every single day. If you guys liked this video and found it informative, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, boys, don't forget to check out our sponsor, Keeps. They're going to be linked down below as well. That's it for me today. See you next time.